Going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're on Aviara's AV32. Let's get right into it. So this boat is equipped with the new V8 300 horsepower Mercury engines. This boat's also equipped with joystick. And working our way up, Aviara has the stadium seating. So as you can see, this one seat is up. You can also tilt these seats forward and have another row of seating. These back seats, you can easily pop them up. They have a lever, which is conveniently located right in the center here. Just press the lever and the seat will come right up. Super easy to deploy. At the back here, you have 4 cup holders on the port side, as well as another 2 here on the starboard. Working our way up in the cockpit, this boat has a very conveniently located hatch right here that has fender storage. You can actually store 5 fenders in here. That's dedicated storage for your fenders. Now, working our way into the cockpit here, I really want to point out Aviara is all about their lines. They really like to look sleek. You can see that the speakers on the boat, every single one of them is going to be covered by this nice sharp looking silver plate, as well as the boat having pop cleats. The boat also has, which I want to point out, a fuel fill on both port and starboard, which is covered by this nice little hatch here, which can easily be popped up. Adds to the sleek design of the boat. Now, these seats are very soft, and you're going to notice that we have brown interior and we're down in Florida. You might ask, how do you pull that off? Well, Aviara has what they call cool feel technology. So even darker colors like this brown will not get hot in the summertime. Now, as you sit down here, you're gonna see just to my left, you have another speaker, 2 grab handles, and you have 5 cup holders. That's right, there's 5 cup holders right here. Definitely is not a lack of cup holders on this boat. Another cool little feature is you have these cell phone charging stations, which I'll give you an example with my cell phone here. You can easily just put it in there. It's storage and charges your phone at the same time. Now, working our way over to the starboard side of the boat, this boat has 3 more cup holders here, as well as some storage here, more storage down here behind this hatch, and a trash can. You also have a nice little sink right here. Some more storage on the starboard side of the sink. Nice Aviara cooler. Very cool how they have their branding on there. Now, working our way up to the console here, you notice the seats are bolstered. You have another cup holder on the starboard side, as well as a nice compartment for your VHF radio. There's your joystick controlling, your Mercury throttles, another one of those cell phone charging ports, as well as automatic trim tabs. You have your Simrad displays here, as well as this is your vessel control for the Aviara. That's going to allow you to control the lighting on the boat. Pretty much just about everything that's electronic on the boat can be controlled through this unit right here. 2 more cup holders down here on the starboard side. Another cup holder, as well as a nice grab handle. Down here is your bathroom. You'll see for a 32-foot boat, that's a very large bathroom. And there's a nice magnet that holds that open. Now, working our way up to the front of the boat, you can fit 3-4 people up here fairly comfortably, I would say. You have 4 more cup holders, as well as another speaker. You have radio controlling right here on the port side, some storage on the deck, as well as access to your windlass. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video today on Aviara's AV32.